Welcome to your challenge question today, and this was the question you were asked to do. What we need to do in this question, you are given with the area that is 36 centimeters squared. Okay, so what they're asking you, write down the length and width of two other rectangles. What do we mean by that? We need to find two other rectangles with area 36 centimeters squared. Means the area should remain same. Area is not going to be changed, but we need to change the length and width. What do we mean by this? It means that we already know one length and width, that is 4 times 9 equals to 36. And what are these 4 and 9? Are the multiples of 36. Now we need to find other multiples of 36. How can we find this? Always you can find this way. This is easier way to find the multiples. So let's start with 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 will give you 1 and 1 will go with 6. Now it is 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. It means 2 times 18 equals to 36. So I found my multiples for 36, but I need one more. So now what we are going to do, 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. It means 3 times 12 equals to 36. You have found two other rectangles with the same area 36 but with different length and width. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. So here is the question. You have a square and a rectangle. Okay, so you are given with this length of square equals to 8 centimeter and length of rectangle equals to 16 centimeter. What you are given with, you are given that square and rectangle have the same area. So what we can do over here now, we know that if you know one side of square, all the sides are same, right? And what is the area of square? Area of square is side times side, that means side squared. So 8 times 8 is 64, right? So now this is 64 centimeters squared. And as we know that rectangle and square have same area, it means it also has the same area as 64 centimeters squared. Now what you have to do, you are actually asked to find y. Okay, you need to find the value of y, which is your width. So y times 16, that means length times width, is equals to 64 centimeters squared. How can you find this y? So don't need to be confused. This is same box you have been doing in your lower classes. So what you need to do when you have this type of question, that means 16 times what will give you 64. In this case, you always used this way. That means 64 divided by 16. 16 times 4 is 64. It means y is equals to 4 centimeters. Okay, so see you in the next challenge question.